Welcome back to T-Shift Zone, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, latest launches, and performance insights from around the world. Today, we are diving into the all-new 2026 Honda City, a sedan that continues to impress with its blend of style, technology, and driving dynamics. The 2026 Honda City carries forward its legacy as one of the most popular compact sedans, offering a perfect balance between comfort, efficiency, and modern features, making it a top choice for urban commuters and families alike. The exterior of the 2026 Honda City has received a sleek and contemporary redesign that elevates its presence on the road. The front fascia is dominated by a bold grille with chrome accents, flanked by sharp LED headlamps that provide excellent illumination and a sophisticated look. The bumper design is more aerodynamic than ever, with integrated fog lamps and stylish air vents that add a sporty touch. From the side, the Honda City showcases a streamlined silhouette with elegant character lines, a slightly sloping roofline, and refined alloy wheels that enhance its premium appeal. The rear features LED tail lamps connected by a chrome strip, giving the sedan a wide and modern stance. Overall, the 2026 Honda City manages to combine sophistication and sportiness seamlessly, appealing to both young professionals and mature buyers. Step inside, and the cabin of the 2026 Honda City is where comfort meets technology. The interior has been crafted with high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and a smart layout that ensures both driver and passengers enjoy a premium experience. Seating is comfortable with ample legroom and headroom, even for rear passengers, making long journeys relaxing. The dashboard is modern, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also comes with a digital instrument cluster that provides all essential driving information in a clear and intuitive format. The steering wheel is multifunctional, allowing easy control of audio, phone, and cruise control settings without taking your hands off the wheel. In terms of convenience and storage, the 2026 Honda City does not disappoint. It offers multiple cup holders, door pockets, and a spacious glove box. The boot space is generous for a sedan in this segment, capable of handling luggage for family trips or daily errands. Additionally, the rear seats are split folding, allowing flexibility to expand cargo space when needed. The City also features smart keyless entry, push-button start, automatic climate control, and rear AC vents, all of which enhance passenger comfort and usability. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda City comes with multiple engine options tailored for both performance and efficiency. The petrol variant features a 1.5-liter IVTEC engine delivering around 121 horsepower, providing smooth acceleration and responsive performance in city traffic as well as highways. The diesel variant, depending on market availability, is equipped with a 1.5-liter IDTEC engine producing approximately 100 horsepower, known for its fuel efficiency and torque delivery. Both engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual or a CVT automatic transmission, offering a balanced combination of smooth driving experience and fuel economy. The ride quality is enhanced by a well-tuned suspension system that absorbs road imperfections efficiently while maintaining stability during cornering. Steering is precise, providing excellent feedback and making maneuvering in tight urban spaces effortless. When it comes to safety, the 2026 Honda City sets high standards in its segment. It is equipped with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a rearview camera as standard across most variants. Higher trims offer additional features such as side and curtain airbags, vehicle stability assist, hill start assist, and Honda's lane watch system that improves visibility while changing lanes. The body structure incorporates Honda's G-Force control technology, designed to protect occupants in the event of a collision. These safety features ensure that the City is a secure and reliable choice for families and daily commuters alike. Fuel efficiency is another strong suit of the 2026 Honda City. The petrol variants deliver impressive mileage figures, making it an economical option for city driving, while the diesel variant provides even better fuel economy for those covering long distances frequently. This makes the Honda City an ideal choice for both urban users and long-distance travelers. Maintenance costs are reasonable, and Honda's widespread service network ensures easy access to genuine parts and professional servicing, adding to the vehicle's overall value proposition. The 2026 Honda City also excels in connectivity and infotainment. The large touchscreen interface is responsive and houses features such as navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, smartphone integration, and voice recognition. Some variants offer a premium audio system that delivers crisp sound quality, enhancing the in-car entertainment experience. Additionally, the City is equipped with multiple USB ports and charging points, ensuring all passengers can keep their devices powered during journeys. The cabin is designed with noise insulation